Alright, how's everyone doing? Today we're going to be working on Jonas's WRX. This is how you want to make your turbo sound like this. Right now it's got like the kind of the blow off noise because it's got the intake. And these cars with just an intake, they do like a slight blow off noise, but what we're going to be doing is taking the bypass valve out and putting a metal plate, block off plate on there. So you'll hear the turbo noise like this. And what do you think about that?
It's gonna be sick, man. It's gonna be sick. Cheap mod.
Yep, cheap mod, cheap sound. People are gonna be like, oh, your turbo. All right, we just bolted this off, put the piece of metal we're gonna be using as a block off plate, and there's the template. So he's gonna cut that out, we'll throw it in.
We'll start off by punching our little marks for where the bolts are gonna go, and we're gonna just drill it out to whatever the size the bolt is. Kind of looks like the Denny's logo.
All right, I think the mad scientist in here is almost done. Let's see what he's working with.
Yeah, I'm just deburring the bitch, cleaning it up. You know, you don't want this shit, these metal shavings hanging back into your engine.
Yeah, nice.
This is what we got right here.
Pit stop.
Yep. Gonna give it a little wipe down and
Throw that bitch in.
yeah. We put this. Yeah, all right. Slam her down. Slam the clam.
All right, here it is installed. You can't even tell, but it's in between the bypass and the intercooler right there. So let's go take it for a drive.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and let her warm up and then
Test it out.
Yeah. dude, that
Little baby.
We'll let it warm up more, but you'll hear it better. All right, guys, let's get a better sound. Oh my god. yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it.
For like 20 minutes of work.
Yeah, literally. That is sick.
So all you gotta do is get that little block off plate, put it in between your bypass, and it will sound just like that.
Yep.
Pretty mint, dude.
You literally just get a piece of fucking scrap metal or sheet metal.
Cut it out.
Cut it out. Doesn't have to be much, you know, like an eighth of an inch.
Yep.
You're good. You're good to go.
Dude, it sounds mint. You could hear it on the outside. Alright, so that's how to make the noise on your Subi. You just put that block off plate in. If you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
But I feel like I'm in a line of amusement park. I'm about to get onto the ride.
Yeah, Jarvis, enhance image. Can we zoom in on that menu, please? There we go. I think we're gonna be going with the box combo.
Give me box.
We're in the Rex right now.
Deal.
We're trying to get some canes, you know what I mean? It's fucking 11:20. We were working on the Audi earlier.